So today we'll work on People in Space project using Fetch API. The Fetch API is a way for JavaScript to request data from another place, like a server or an API, and then use that data in your app. In real life, think of Fetch like ordering food online. You place an order, wait while the restaurant prepares, and then you receive the food. Similarly, Fetch sends a request, wait for a response, and then gives your app the data, usually in the JSON format. Now, let's get started. Since we're working on the Fetch API, open the folder Use Fetch. Open index.html. To check the preview, right-click, click Open with Live Server, then open app.js. In the previous video, we finished the project using promises, and now we will convert it into Fetch API. In the event listener, I will replace the getJSON function to Fetch. Now we can remove the entire getJSON function because the Fetch method is going to handle most of these tasks for us. The Fetch method itself returns a promise, and once Fetch makes the request and the data finishes loading, the Fetch promise is fulfilled. Also, when we use Fetch, the response we get is not the actual data. It's just a raw response from the server. To convert it into JSON, add then method, then add response.json. Even in getProfiles function, instead of using getJSON, use Fetch. Also, add .then method, add response.json. Check the preview, and it still works like before. Let's also add the catch method so we know exactly where the error occurred. So add catch, add error as a parameter, then log the error in the console. Let's also add error fetching wiki. Now, whenever there is any problem with Wikipedia API, we know exactly where it is happening. Finally, I want to display other data to the user. The spacecraft each astronaut is on. The data is available in the first API call in the Open Notify API under a property named craft. So create a variable craft and use person.craft. Next, I need to combine data returned from two APIs into one object. So add another then method, add a parameter profile, add return, inside the object, I will use the spread operator to copy all properties from a profile object onto this new object, craft. Finally, in the generate HTML function, we will display the craft in span tag after the img tag. Check the preview, and we can see them. Great. This is the end of the session. In the next session, we'll use async await. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.